Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDA NA1 exam. Question number 38 is, if in a triangle capital A, capital B, capital C, sine cube capital A plus sine cube capital B plus sine cube capital C is equal to 3 sine capital A, sine capital B, sine capital C, then what is the value of the determinant? First row ABC, second row BCA, third row CAB, all are small, where small ABC are sides of triangle. Option A plus B plus C, all are small. Option B, small AB plus small BC plus small CA. And option C, A plus B, small a plus b within bracket multiplied by small b plus c multiplied by small c plus c. Option D is 0. So here if we find out the determinant of it, then first row is this, second row is this, third row is this. Solving this, it will be a bc minus a square plus b ac minus b square plus c ba minus c square. So solving this, it will be 3 small abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. So all are 4. So now in a triangle we know that sine angle A by A is equal to sine B by B and sine C by C. So from this we get A as B sine A sine B using these two, and C as B sine C sine B. Taking A and C in terms of B. So now we can cube both sides. So it will be A cube is equal to B cube sine cube by A sine cube A by sine cube B. Similarly, C cube will be B cube sine cube C divided by sine cube B. Okay, so now we can put the value of A cube, value of C cube, value of A, value of C here in this equation. So then the determinant will be 3. Then put the value of A, B sine A divided by sine B, then B is B, then it is B sine C by sine B, and this will be now in A cube it will be B cube sine cube by sine cube A by sine cube B, and this will be here minus B cube, and this will be here minus B cube sine cube C by sine cube B. So now we can take the LCM, and LCM will be here sine cube B. So it will be 3 sine A sine B sine C minus sine cube A minus sine cube B minus sine cube C. So now it is given that sine cube A plus sine cube B plus sine cube C is your 3 ABC, C sine A sine B sine C. So these term and this term are equal, so it is equal to 0. So answer is 0. Answer is option B.